There's the... Ready? Just got a new suit, a new adventure suit for this season. It's a Rev'it Offtrack, and it's a combined jacket and pants suit. I'll have it in this box today. We'll unbox it and we will check out every detail. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so I have this upper one. Oh, I think these ones are the pants over here. I'll put them aside because I can't wait to see the jacket. The jacket is the most important for me right now. Oh, it's on blue. It's looking so good with this neon yellow over here. It's actually a sports intended suit. It's like the rally suits. I like it a lot. Let's check it out. Let's remove the bags. I think I'm doing something wrong. I'll take the box away from here. So this is the new Offtrack jacket from Rev'it, adventure intended with a lot of cooling area in the shoulders. It looks very good. I like this finish, but I know that it's with something more inside. Okay, so I have a lot of liners over here that I have to remove. You know what? Let's have a closer look.
What do you think?
It looks good on you, but I think it would look better on me. But I want to check out every detail because I can see everything is adjustable over here, straps everywhere. You can adjust it to make it fit you very snug. So this is very important.
Very important because if you're slimmer than I am,
hopefully I am,
it won't shake in the wind.
Yeah, so that's a very important feature because you can adjust it in the hands area like this. Everywhere you can adjust it. Is very cool. Even this part over here at the neck, it's adjustable. And another cool feature that got me is this strap that you can put like this in order not to shake in the wind. So this is very cool. But let's check out how ventilated it is because it's very important. Summer is coming, you have to be ventilated.
Yes, and you're riding this in off-road. It's an adventure suit, so you're gonna sweat a lot when going in off-road.
You have to get the heat out from your from inside the suit.
Okay, so I see that there's some mesh over here.
In the upper area, on the back also.
Yeah.
Over here on the back. And I see that you have a pouch over here where you can store your layers, or your inside layers, so they won't bother you. What else? What else? Another feature over here that you can put aside and you'll get some fresh air in the and cool down. So also in the hands area, another fresh air for you to cool down, both right and left.
Yes. Okay, I think this I can't do it on the go. While on the bike, I think I gotta stop to do it.
Yeah, this is not recommended to do on your bike while riding. So I think this is a fair amount of fresh air. What about the leg area? So let's check the leg area also, because you also have two pockets, left and right, so you can get some fresh air.
Yeah, so this is very important because when sitting on the bike, and I'm gonna show it to you later, probably the air comes from the side of the fuel tank and goes
cools you
right
down.
here.
So
yeah, it's looks very smart, actually.
Now that you're checking, I want to see all your pouches over here because you have one left, right, also on the legs. They are very useful because they are safe for things to be inside, not to fall, not to lose something like your papers or something very important.
And also these ones, I like them very much because they seem to be waterproof pockets, and I like them very much because it's very easy to put my phone over here.
They are very easy to reach, and usually they are in the front area, so this ones are fitted on the side. It's very helpful.
Yeah, that's very cool.
You can access very easy while riding on the bike. There's also this feature over here. It's a resistant material fitted on left and right inside your knee, so you won't scratch the tank. And there's also on your back, on your bottom over here, in between the legs, it will also offer you a bit more grip, so you won't slide back and forth while accelerating on the bike. So enough with this. Let's check the underlayers because I want to see how much layers do you have, like an onion. We know already that it's very cool, good for warm weather. You can wear it. It's very good as a fitment. What else? We have rain, and we also have
colder days.
Colder days. What you can tell me about this part? Because you are
riding in Siberia for 4 days in a row with rain and 8 degrees Celsius. Wow, it was very tough for me. I had another Rev'it suit back then. It was I think that it was the Defender Pro Gore-Tex, and it was very good. I'm really curious to see about this one. How good will it be in my next adventure? But let's take a look at the layers.
So let's open it up because it's like an onion. You have 3 layers over here. So
Okay.
this is the outer shell. Now inside this one,
I see that there's a connecting zipper.
yeah.
Let's take it off.
You also have a connection over here.
Okay.
You should have one on the hands.
Also, okay, yeah.
It's far more complicated than I anticipated. So this is gonna protect me from the rain, yes?
So this
And
is
from
the
the- from-
Hydrotex.
From the wind. This is the Hydrotex. Yeah, the rain membrane. We have the same things at the pants, but I'm not gonna strip right now. So
Fortunately
you must
for us.
trust us. Yeah, this is the Hydrotex.
Open it up. So
Okay.
what else? What do you have inside?
So this one should be both water
Let me help
resistant, waterproof, and breathable at the same time. This is
So-
very important.
The air gets out from inside, but the water won't
Yeah,
come inside.
the sweat gets out, but the water doesn't come inside because it's about the way, it's about the fabric, and it's about the way it's built. And that's not all. Yeah, there's also a very well connected thermal layer.
So this is for the cold weather.
I
This
think-
should be wear.
I think this should be your suit actually.
Yeah, because I'm always cold.
Always cold. Yeah.
Let me help you remove it.
And again, another connection. It's very important for those layers to be connected because it will be harder to put them on if they're not connected one to each other. Although it could be annoying at some time. For example, when you're making a video and trying to present all these layers.
And now we have the thermal layer that's supposed to be helping you in the cold weather.
Yeah, it looks and it feels very good. It feels very warm, actually. And I think that with this suit, I'm gonna be able to go at 2 or 3 degrees Celsius on an adventure bike, so with some wind protection, without having any issue. I mean, it should be okay. This is what I'm gonna test this year, or maybe in the off season, because now it's summer and we're gonna test the ventilation. But what else? Because it's very
What else?
important.
Very
Yeah.
important, the protection system, because you have C-Smart protections on your elbow and your shoulders, and you can also fit it with a protection, C-Soft protection like this one over here for your back.
Yeah, this one is not included with the suit. You must buy separately. This is my protection, and I can fit it to all my Rev'it suits, and I think it matches
Almost
every suit on the
Okay.
market.
So it's very good as a package because you have a lot of ventilation. You have 3 layers that you can use regarding the weather. So you have for rain, you have for cold temperatures, and you also have a good protection system that will help you in the worst case scenario of a fall. Otherwise, you can use it as a jacket. As you can see it's very lightweight, and it will help you ride in the summer days, in the hot summer days, just like this.
It feels very good, and I'm really curious to try to put this suit on and to have a couple of rides. We're gonna have a comparison the next days, and I'm gonna use this suit, and also I'm gonna use it on my long adventure trip following this summer.
Can I put it on me? Can I
Yeah,
see?
sure. I'm not gonna tell you about it now, but it's gonna be, and I'm gonna find out how good this suit really is. But before that, that's gonna be our final review of the year. But before that, I'm curious to do waterproof test. What do you say?
I get to spray with some water?
I got an idea.
Yes, yes, of course. Let's do it. Ready? Kinda wet, huh?
Yeah. Well,
What about inside?
well, I think I'm okay. I can feel it a bit wet around here.
Yeah, I can see that you have some water on this. What about after that?
Yeah, let's see after that.
So, nothing in here.
I think it is a bit wet.
From your hand, maybe. Let me see. No, it's not. It feels like wet, but it's not. You're dry.
And
Over here, you're dry.
thanks God.
Thanks
Yeah, but-
God, the suit.
Yeah, but I gotta try it on a rainy day for about, I don't know, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours of riding, and I have bad luck when it comes to the weather, so this is gonna happen soon. I feel it a bit wet and a bit cold here on my leg, in my leg area. And of course, I made a huge and a stupid mistake.
You forgot to tie your boot,
Yeah.
so you have some water inside.
Yeah, I forgot to tie my boot. This seems totally waterproof, but you see that
The water is going down,
the
dripping
water
down
is
your
going
boot.
down. It looks cool like that, like wearing an enduro boot, but when it's raining outside, just put your suit over the boot. It's very important.